Changing your primary email on your American Express account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you are accessing the correct account associated with your card. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Services section in the main menu. This is where you will find options to manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your primary email. Find the field that displays your current primary email address. Enter your new email address in the provided space, ensuring there are no typos. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes, and you may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Make sure to check your new email for any verification requests from American Express. Following these steps will ensure your primary email is successfully updated.